In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule video in Meta Business Suite. We'll start right from the beginning so you can follow along with confidence. Open your preferred web browser and search for Meta Business Suite. You're looking for the official Meta result that takes you to the Business Suite dashboard. Once you see it, click through to the correct link to open the platform. Next, log in using your Facebook or Instagram credentials. Be sure you're signing in with the account that manages the page or profile you want to post to. If you handle multiple brands, take a second to confirm you're in the right workspace so your video lands in the correct place. Inside Business Suite, head to All Tools. This expands your full toolkit. From there, click Content. Think of this as your command center for everything you publish: drafts, scheduled posts, and published items all live here. On the left sidebar under Posts and Reels, choose Create and then pick the format that fits your goal: Reel, Post, or Story. This simply tells Meta how to present your video. Reels are vertical and short form. Posts appear in the feed, and Stories are temporary and more casual. Select the one that matches your plan. Now click. Add video and upload your file from your desktop. Give it a moment to process. For best results, use a high-quality MP4 or MOV, and keep your file name tidy so it's easy to find later. Move on to your details. Add a clear, engaging description that explains what viewers will see and why it matters. Include relevant tags and keywords to help with discoverability. If your brand uses hashtags, add just a few that are genuinely related to the content. A short call to action can also guide viewers on what to do next. Choose a thumbnail next. You can pick a suggested frame from the video, scrub to select a specific frame, or upload a custom image. Aim for something crisp, high contrast, and easy to understand at a glance. If you add text, keep it big and readable on mobile. For captions, either use the Auto-Generate Captions feature or upload an SRT file. Many viewers watch without sound, so captions can significantly improve watch time and accessibility. If you auto-generate, quickly review to catch any misheard words or brand terms. When everything looks good, click Schedule. Pick your desired date and time, double-check the time zone, and make sure it aligns with when your audience is most active. Finally, click Schedule at the bottom. Your video is now queued up and ready to go live automatically at the time you selected.